Hello friends, day 24, fabulous day, possibly the best so far. Leaving Hay on Wye this morning and walking over onto the hills, met a very interesting farmer who I had a long chat with, and he's no longer using fertilizers, and he was telling me all about how the cattle are better and so on. And then, highlight of the day, my climb up Hergest Ridge. And you may know the name from the Mike Oldfield album. I always thought it was Hergest Ridge, but apparently not. Apparently it's called Hergest Ridge to rhyme with hardest. Anyway, beautiful views from the top, as you'll see shortly. And I am now in the Royal Oak with my friends Peter and Sarah. Say hello, Sarah. I'm staying with Sarah this evening, and we're going to a concert by Beth Porter very shortly after we've had some pizza. So I will speak to you again tomorrow. Bye.